Have you ever wondered how a beautiful gold ring is made? The process begins with the design. Jewelers first create a sketch or digital model of the ring, carefully planning its shape, size, and details. Next, gold is melted in a special furnace at very high temperatures. Pure gold is often mixed with other metals, such as silver or copper, to improve its strength and durability. This mixture is called an alloy. The molten gold is then poured into a mold to create the basic shape of the ring. After cooling, the ring is removed and carefully shaped using specialized jewelry tools. The jeweler then files, sands, and polishes the ring to create a smooth and shiny surface. If the design includes gemstones, small settings are added to securely hold the stones in place. After the stones are mounted, the ring undergoes a final polishing process. This step gives the gold its brilliant shine and luxurious appearance. Quality inspection is the final stage. The jeweler checks the ring for size, comfort, finish, and craftsmanship before it is ready to wear or sell.